Welcome to Rumki's educational channel, where learning is fun. Today, we bring you the ultimate English grammar quiz challenge. 10 questions, 4 options. Can you score 10 out of 10? Rules? You'll have 5 seconds to answer each question. And write your answers in the comments below. Let's see how many you get right. Question 1. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't likes coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee. D. She don't likes coffee. Answer is C. She doesn't like coffee. Choose the correct form of the verb. He to school every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Gone. D. Going. Answer is B. Goes. Question 3. Identify the noun in this sentence. The cat slept peacefully. A. Slept. B. Peacefully. C. Cat. D. Answer is C. Cat. Question 4. Pick the correct past tense. I a great movie last night. A. See. B. Saw. C. D. Seeing. Answer is B. Saw. Which sentence is in the future tense? A. I went to the market. B. I am going to the market. C. I go to the market. D. I will go to the market. Answer is D. I will go to the market. Question 6. What kind of word is quickly? A. Noun. B. Adjective. C. Adverb. D. Verb. Answer is C. Ashton 7. Choose the correct pronoun. Him is my best friend. A. He. B. Him. C. His. D. Her answer is A. Question 8. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receive. D. Receive. Question 9. Pick the correct sentence. A. It's a beautiful day. B. It's a beautiful day. C. It's a beautiful day. D. It's a beautiful day. Answer is B. It's a beautiful 10. Choose the correct article. I saw an elephant at the zoo. A B, and C, the D. No article needed. Answer is B. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quiz challenges from Rumki's educational channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new quiz.